Hello, I'm Connor with Unity Fuel Solutions. Today we're excited to showcase our latest mining project, 162,000 gallons of storage for diesel, using our Grande 110 double storage tanks. These consist of 3 paired Grande 110 tanks, each with a storage capacity of 27,000 gallons. They each house a fully customized heavy vehicle dispensing system, which is designed and installed by the Unity Fuel Solutions team. This portable turnkey solution has been purpose-built for efficient, reliable, high-flow refueling for remote mine sites, which provides our client the greater flexibility of smoother operations and ensures their mining assets can be refilled quickly and safely, no matter how remote the location is. Key components and features. We have 2 interconnected double-walled tanks with the same pump and metering system in each pump bay. This interconnected tank and pump format enables product to pull from either tank as part of a built-in redundancy system. Overall, we're measuring, filtering, and delivering a flow rate of 160 gallons per minute at the nozzle through 50 feet of hose as specified by the client. This is achieved with a Blackmer 480 volt 10 horsepower pump designed to deliver high flow refueling. A 2-inch by 50-foot electric rewind hose reel, which is a durable steel construction ensuring safe, efficient fuel return and neat hose management. HydroFlow dry brake nozzles. Lightweight, quality manufactured dry brake nozzles with built-in auto shutoff designed for quick, spill-free refueling to accommodate heavy mining vehicles. Donaldson bulk filtration manifold, incorporating both particulate and water separating elements, each fitted with dual pressure gauges to allow checks to ensure correct filter swap out maintenance intervals. This high flow filtration kit provides consistent clean diesel, protecting heavy mining assets and adhering to the ISO standards for the mine. TCS 700 mechanical metering system provides precise fuel measurement featuring mechanical Veeder-Root register and manual reset. Safety and compliance. This tank and dispensing system is constructed to strict UL 142 standards. Every component undergoes rigorous pressure testing, flange management, factory acceptance testing, electrical compliance checks, and comprehensive commissioning by our experienced technical team. Prior to handover, we provide thorough on-site training with the client, which ensures confident and safe operation from day one. To ensure delivery of a seamless turnkey package, all tanks and pump dispensing systems have been energized and wet tested with fuel in workshop conditions against all operational instances to ensure complete and correct functionality. Efficiency and benefits. Our versatile dispensing system allows mine operators to easily reel out the hose and dry brake nozzle, making it easy to safely refuel heavy vehicles whilst eliminating spills. Manual valving and controls further enhance precision, providing total operational control while significantly reducing downtime and spill risks. Dual tank and pumping packages prevent production halts during failures, enhancing safety and reliability as part of the mine site redundancy program. At Unity Fuel Solutions, we offer customized design systems for your hydrocarbon storage, and we can support your operations nationwide. Contact our team to find out how we can support your next project.